Today we're going to be working with solving two-step equations. So two-step equations, here's an example, 7x plus 4 equals 46. When we do this, we're going to work backwards from the order of operations. So we're going to start by either adding or subtracting on both sides of the equal sign. So here, since we're adding 4, we're going to subtract 4 to both sides. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So we're left with 7x equals 46 minus 4 is 42. So then we're going to follow with either multiplying or dividing to both sides of the equal sign. So 7x minus 42, we brought that down. So right now we're multiplying. So if we divide both sides by 7, x equals 6. So let's look at some examples. Here we're adding 3, so we want to subtract 3 to both sides. So 5x, 3 minus 3 is 0, they cancel out. 58 minus 3 is 55. Then we divide both sides by 5. 55 divided by 5 is 11. So here we're adding a positive 6. So we want to subtract 6 to both sides. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we're left with 7x equals negative 57 minus 6 is a negative 63. And divide both sides by 7. Those become 1, they cancel out. So x equals negative 9. So here we are subtracting 4. So we want to add 4. So negative 8 comes down. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. They cancel out. Negative 172 plus 4 is negative 168. And divide both sides by a negative 8. Those become 1. They cancel out. So x equals negative 168 divided by negative 8 is a positive 21. So for the fourth example, we're adding a negative 6. So we want to add that 6 to both sides. So negative 6 plus 6 is 0. So 2x equals 24 plus 6 is 30. So the last step would be to divide both sides by 2. So x equals 15. Alright, another example. Here, we're adding a negative 16. So we want to add 16 to both sides. Negative 16 plus 16 is 0, cancel out. So we still have x divided by 7 equals negative 7 plus 16 is 9. So since we're dividing by 7, we want to multiply by 7. Cancel, so x equals 9 times 7 is 63. So here we're adding 29. So we want to subtract 29. So x over 5. 29 minus 29 is 0. 43 minus 29 is 14. Since we're dividing by 5, we want to multiply by 5. So 5's cancel out. So x equals 14 times 5 is 70. So let's look at the back side. We have 5 equals 17 plus 4x. So here we are adding 17, so we want to subtract 17. 5 minus 17 is a negative 12. 17 minus 17 is 0, they cancel out, equals 4x. So our last step, we divide both sides by 4. Negative 12 divided by 4 is a negative 3. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so x equals negative 3. This side, we are subtracting 3, so we want 13, so we want to add 13. Negative 41 plus 13 is a negative 28. Minus 7x, and then negative 13 plus 13 is 0, they cancel out. So if we divide both sides by negative 7, negative 28 divided by negative 7 is a positive 4. Negative 7 divided by negative 7 is a positive 1. Last two examples. Here we are adding 33. So we want to subtract 33. So 25 minus 33 is negative 8. 33 minus 33 is 0. So then negative x over 4. So now we're dividing by a negative 4. So if we multiply both sides by a negative 4, cancel out, we're left with a positive x. Negative 4 times a negative 8 is a positive 32. Last problem. Here we're subtracting 13, so we want to add 13. Negative 1 plus 13 is 12. We're left with x. 12. Negative 13 plus 13 is 0. So now we can multiply both sides by 12. So 12 times 12 is 144.